Hello student, today we'll discuss on the digital electronics practical. If you see digital electronics subject code is ET209. Okay, so 2 hours per week allocated time, credit is 1. If you see their examination scheme, practical 50 marks, term work is 25 and total is 75 marks. Okay, so prerequisite course for this practical knowledge is the basic knowledge of logic gates is required. For prerequisite course, basic knowledge of logic gates is required. Okay, so the course objectives: acquaint different combination logic circuit, acquaint different sequential logic circuit, and make student familiar with logic families. The outcomes of the practicals: first is document laboratory report on result. Okay, it is a according to Bloom taxonomy, 2 numbers, understand. Then design and implement digital circuit. Okay, these are 3 number level, apply and focus on different logic families parameters. Okay, 4 number analysis. Okay, and if you see the parameters, now see the what are the course content and list of practical. If you observe, the 10 numbers of practicals are there. Okay, so list of practical and minimum 8 practical to be performed. So first practical is design and implement 8 as to 1 mux using mux means multiplexer using the IC 74LS153 and verified truth table. Okay, second number is design and implement the given 4 variable function using the IC 74LS153 and verified truth table. So we start with the very first practical, later on we discuss one by one. Okay, so see, the first practical is design and implement uh, 8 as to 1 mux using the IC 74LS153 and verified truth table. Okay, see, for this practical we are using the IC 74LS153. Okay, these are the main IC, and in supporting with this IC again 2 additional IC we are using. One is 7432, okay, quad to input OR gate, and 7404 is inverter IC. These 3 IC is required for performing this practical. If you see the pin diagram, it is a near about, we can say that the 16 pin IC is there. Okay, if it's 16 pin number 1 is start with the strobe. Okay, pin number B is the select. Okay, then IC3, IC2, IC1 again, they're according to instead of LS, if you use the different IC SC, in that case their levels are different. Okay, so in that case we can call as is a one IC3, one IT2, one II1, one I0, like these are the different notation. These are the labels will be decided by the respective manufacturer of the ICs, right? So 9 number is output pin and 16 is VCC. Okay, so these are the ICs, details pins are available now. Okay, now see, next is your related to your logic diagram. Okay, this one is called as logic diagram. Okay, this one is your logic diagram of 8 as to 1 marks. Okay, if you observe the diagram, logic diagram of 8 as to 1 marks. Okay, so in this pin number 6, 5, and then we can call it as pin number 3. Okay, and pin number 12, I repeat again, 12, 3, 5, 6, these pins we have to connect it to the VCC, and remaining all pin 4, then 10, 11 and 13 number pins is connected to the ground. Okay, so actually this IC 74LS153J a dual 4 as to 1 mux, it having the dual 4 as to 1 mux, means it having the 1 4 as to 1 and 4 as to 1, like these are 2 4 as to 1 are available in this 74LS153. So see, whenever before making such type of logic diagram, we have to refer the data sheets of all ICs. What are the IC we are using in the practical, that respective data sheet we have to use. Okay, now here is the 16 number pin is connected to VCC, 1 and 2 numbers of OR gate, and 7 and 9 number of 153. Okay, so 7 to 1 and 9 to 2, like this some connection, and output you can connect pin as a 3. Okay, then in between the strobe 1 to 15 we have to connect a inverter, right? And this is your C. Okay, it is nothing but your C, A, B, C, these are the select inputs, right? Now we'll see how to make the connection. See now, these are the truth table for it has to 1 marks. Okay, ABC. Okay, respective data inputs where you connect. Okay, this on and on means this 4 pin if you connect it to the VCC. Okay, and if particular select lines we can set like this are all ABC connected to the ground. At that time 1C0 is connected to VCC, that's why the output will be glow, LED will be on. Okay, similarly suppose we consider this one 101. 1 means this C pin connected to VCC, B connected to ground, A is connected to the VCC. Okay, to 2C1 this respect to data pins connected to ground, so that's why your LED is off. Okay, so like this one the we can implement the you can say that 8:1 multiplexer. Okay, so in the next we can call it as videos we'll see the making of the diagram on the breadboard actually. Okay, by referring the logic diagram. Thank you.